0. And since profit is revenue minus costs, that's the exact same as saying that revenue and costs are equal. So we're looking from when those two things are the same. So I'm going to put in our equations. Revenue was 12x and cost was $30,000 plus 450x. Solve this. I'm going to move everything over to the same side. I've got 12x minus $4.50 x equals $30,000, or 12 minus 4.5. I'm factoring out the x. So I end up with 7.5x equals $30,000. So x is 30,000 divided by 7.5, which is the same as 4,000 cases. That's our break even, and that's what it looked like on our chart. So let's write that down. Break even is 4,000 cases. In sales, we would need to sell, well, it's $12 per case. So if we sold $48,000 worth of material, worth of ice cream, we would be at break even. So we need to sell 4,000 cases of ice cream, or we need to bring in $48,000 worth in sales. And at that point, our costs are also going to be $48,000. Let's look at this capacity. We cannot sell 1 million cases of ice cream. We can't because our factory won't work. So we have a capacity. We always have a capacity. So our factory and our staff and all the materials we have can only make 16,000 per month. And there's always a limit. If you think back to the very first day, we talked about Sam and Charlie and their lemonade stand. They can't suddenly sell 200 million liters of lemonade. They are just two kids with a stand. So our factory can only make 16,000 per month. After that, our calculations change because our fixed costs will change. We will need to upgrade our factory. We will need to hire more people. Things are going to change. So what we're going to do is say we need to sell 4,000 of our 16,000 maximum, or 25% of capacity, to break even. This is a good thing to look at. If it turns out we need to sell 90% of capacity, that doesn't give us a lot of room to get to sell more. And we have to sell quite a lot. That's not a great business case. If we only need to sell 5% of capacity, then maybe we're in a good position. We need to know these numbers.